So, class, scientists have concluded that in about 5 billion years, our sun will explode.
What are we gonna do? It's gonna explode.
Which, of course, will lead to our planet being engulfed in...
Wait, teacher?
Yeah, Simon, what's up?
So you're saying that the sun is gonna explode, and it's gonna destroy Earth?
Yeah, but this won't happen for a while, so...
Wow, I need some time to process this.
Okay, so, when that happens, scientists believe that it will cause a...
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Bro, he's trying to process this.
I can't believe this is happening, man. Like why?
What do you mean? Why are you crying?
Oh, it's just too much to handle. Like, what are we gonna do?
Who is we? Who is we? We aren't even gonna be here for it. Humans probably won't even exist by then. There's nothing we can do.
So you just don't care about our planet's future? Huh? It's just bye-bye Earth?
You know what? Go to the principal.
Simon, do you want to explain why you're in my office?
Shh, just let me tell you something, man.
Hey, principal, I just want to check to see if my student was...
What's going on?
Did you hear about the sun?
Oh, come